Hello, this is CBI broadcasting from the Frankfurt AIRTEC supply fair to the aerospace, a high demanding aerospace fair, and I have today a meeting with Mr. Nadim from Alsons Group. Mr. Nadim,
Yes.
how did you prepare for this fair?
Well, we started 6 months ago.
Okay.
And we started with the specific brochures for this fair,
Okay.
as under the guidance of CBI, and then focusing on the aerospace parts for the brochure and all the technologies available with us.
So,
And in addition, we also prepared the newsletter, this newsletter.
okay. Can I have a look?
Yeah. It's showing the latest development in our company.
Okay, so you're
And all the
informed.
activities, past fairs, participation.
So you
all that.
okay? So you inform the customer before you start.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what is interest about aerospace market for your company?
See, interest is we are already in the our niche market is precision machining.
Yeah.
We are not only selling components. More than that.
Okay.
I mean, we have multi-technology cluster at our industry.
Okay.
We have we have machining, we have milling, and we have electroplating,
So you
heat treatment.
Yeah.
So it's one window solution for our customer.
So yeah, you don't supply a part, but you
Yeah,
get a complete package of solutions.
complete package. I mean, talk about this part. Let me show you. This is the part. We started with this part.
Yeah.
Now we are going for the assembly.
Okay.
So for this assembly, they have to go to 6 or 7 suppliers.
Okay. So
Now
it's
Alsons is supplying them as a single window. Now they don't have to hassle with 6 or 7 suppliers.
you seem to enjoy your work.
Yeah.
Okay. But what can let's say company provide buyers, and how do buyers have the let's say the interest in your company? How do you find the buyers?
See, find the buyers, especially talking about this AIRTEC exhibition. They provided us the website,
Okay.
so we can have a B2B meeting, and that B2B meeting is very much focused.
Okay.
I mean, they know us very well, we know them very well.
And if you finalize this B2B meetings, how are you going to organize the follow-up?
See, follow-up, we will send them the email
Yeah.
first, and we'll prepare the special newsletter.
Yeah.
And we already made some arrangement for the follow-up meetings. 3 to 4 of our potential client or contacts, we have already arranged the meeting in coming months.
Seems you're getting a lot of success here
Yeah,
with your
yes.
enthusiasm.
Yeah.
Okay, we greet you from the AIRTEC Supply Fair from Frankfurt. Thank you for your interest in CBI.